Hi everyone and welcome back to Maths and Physics with Mr. Simons. Today's grade 12 lesson, video 6 of 9. We're doing identities, but solving via taking out common factors, alright? So follow very carefully. So prove the following: cos cubed theta plus cos theta sine squared theta equal cos theta. Right, so on either side of the plus sign, we are looking for always first law of factorization, a common factor, right? If I take out the common factor, there's a cos theta and a cos theta. I always take out the lowest exponential value. So in this case, I'm taking out cos theta. Now this process I wrote for those. I've had some learners ask me recently, how do they take out the common factor? What do we mean? In short, we are dividing everything by the factor that we take out. So cos cubed theta divided by cos theta. The cos theta sine squared theta divided by cos theta. Now 3 minus 1, again according to second law of exponent, becomes cos squared theta. Cos theta and cos theta cancels and I'm left with sine squared theta. Now according to the square identity, we should know that cos squared plus sine squared equals 1. So 1 times cos theta then simply becomes cos theta, and that equals my right hand side. So I hope you follow. This is what we are doing when we take out a common factor. We're taking each term and we're dividing it by that common factor. I hope that makes sense. Right? Problem number 2. Again, I have sine double angle plus cos double angle plus 1. If I see cos double angle plus 1, my objective is to select it in such a way that I cancel the 1. And this must now become 2 cos theta sine theta plus cos theta. So we should know sine 2 theta can only become 2 sine theta cos theta. And there, because I want to get rid of the plus 1, cos 2 theta, I'm selecting 2 cos squared theta minus 1, because minus 1 plus 1 would cancel. So there, if we expand now, sine 2 theta become 2 sine theta cos theta. Cos 2 theta become 2 cos squared theta minus 1 plus 1. So therefore they cancel, and I'm left with 2 sine squared theta cos theta plus 2 cos squared theta. So on either side of the plus sign, I have a 2. Alright? Then I have cos theta and I have cos squared theta. So if I take out cos as a common factor now, I'm taking out 2 cos theta, and that's divided. So 2 divided by 2 is 1, cos divided by cos cancels, and sine theta is left behind. There 2 cos squared theta divided by 2 cos theta, 2 and 2 cancel. Cos squared divided by cos simply becomes cos theta, and therefore that equals my right hand side. Alright, so if you've been watching up to here now, it should have become relatively simple. You see, we're practicing problems over and over, but as I say, very important. Get used to the variations and get used to small things like which cos double angle to choose, etc. Right? Wish you nothing but the best. Always work hard. Always give your best. Work hard now so that later on you can enjoy the success of your labor and toil. God bless. Bye.